So this is the part of your living area where they have set the sofa set. This is your kitchen area. Once you enter, you can check out the space. This is the bed. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital and today we are here at Sri Ram the One, which is located in Chandapura, Electronic City, Bangalore, a project by Sri Ram Properties. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the details of the project and about the land parcel is just behind this marketing office itself. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview with the help of this miniature. So here we go. This is the main entrance and once you enter you can check out the amenity space, and this is total 4 acre of land parcel with 6 towers, with each tower of stilt ground plus 14 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project has 80 plus luxurious amenities like of 15,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with a swimming pool on the rooftop with deck, and other amenities like amphitheater, kids play area, garden area, basketball court, multi-purpose court, cricket pitch, open gymnasium and few amenities on the rooftop of the towers itself. Now coming to the location part, so this project is exactly located on Kamlipura Road in Chandapura, Electronic City, Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Kamlipura Road and this road over this side will take you towards Bangalore-Chennai Highway. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity of the project. So Green Dot International School is 1.3 kilometers from the project. Oxford Medical College is 5 kilometers away and Chandapura Market is 6.2 kilometers away from the location of the project. So this is your 3 BHK of 1710 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. So this is the main entrance and once we enter you can check out the spacious L-shaped living and dining area. So this is the part of your living area where they have set the sofa set, and this living area has connected balcony to it. So this is the balcony. You can check out the balcony, the spacious balcony with 3-side cover, anti-skid tiles and iron railing as well. Now let's move further towards your dining and kitchen area. So here, exactly in front of the kitchen area, this space you can utilize it as a dining area and you can set your dining table over here. Now exactly, this is your kitchen area, the spacious kitchen area. You can check out the interior work that is done for your reference with the platforms, the cabinet as well. And in kitchen area, they have provided a window and this is the utility area with anti-skid tiles and the platform with the sink over here. Now as you can check out, this unit is in butterfly concept, so 2 bedrooms on the other side and 1 bedroom on the other side of the house. So here we go, this is the bedroom number 1. Once you enter you can check out, they have given you the lobby space for the privacy. There is no direct bed space once you enter, and you can check out the beautiful space. This is the bed space with the wardrobe space and a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Additionally, this bedroom has the washroom attached to it. So here is the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now walking through your living and dining area, we'll be moving further towards your another bedroom. So your bedroom number 2 is over here, this side. Once you enter, you can check out the interior speaks for itself as it is a kid's bedroom with the wardrobe space, the bed space, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom. But before that, let me introduce you with all the features with Housey.com. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule your free site visit. Now, we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, just exactly beside this bedroom is your common washroom. With the easy access to this bedroom, this is your anti-skid tiles with CP sanitary fittings. And now, your master bedroom is over this side. So let's enter towards your master bedroom. Once you enter, you can check out the space. This is the bed space. And even here is the ample of space. So this side you can add your couch, or else even you can set your work table. Here is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and even they have provided the sit out area. So this is the sit out area with iron railing and anti-skid tiles. One more plus point with this master bedroom is the walk-in wardrobe. So this is the walk-in wardrobe. And now with attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here in Chandapura. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And all the information of this project is provided in the I button. You do not have to go here and there. Lastly, do not forget to give the thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.